Dintle, may your precious soul rest in peace. You were always a warrior. Now that is what I've just read from ETV Scandal's Facebook page. Kanti why bezubulala wonke umuntu? Why kumele le show le iphele sengasekho kwamuntu on ETV Scandal? Ay man, guys, I don't like this. Ladies and gentlemen, uDintle is also dead, just like it happened with Umdala and Ndlovu. And I would like us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I think at this point it doesn't matter what happened to Dintle, but did she really have to die? I mean, uDintle is one of the people who deserve a happily ever after. Ever since ever since the show leyaqala, uDintle had been having problems. Quentin ngapha bayashona na impilo yakhe ngapha has been going south njalo mayishada awukho umshado wakho uhamba kahle uNhloso nawo afika thatha impilo yakhe wayenza upside down. Kanti wasn't uDintle supposed to get her happily ever after naye nezingane zakhe babe happy laphayana? Guys, what is this lady trying to do with us? Why ufuna stress? Why ufuna le show le iphele sesinenkinga? Why ufuna le show le iphele sikhala? I don't really understand. Why did uDintle really have to die on the show? I don't know, guys. I don't know. I really don't know. So as you can see on the screen right now, shuthi Mr. Mala ugcine ehlangene noDintle bawa boyi-2 ebuilding phansi, both dead. Anyazi. Also, Mr. Mala was supposed to get a harsher sentence. Bengamelanga vela afe nje kanjalo, bemele athole manje ihliphelo of punishment, but like bamphanishe kancane bamtetebula. Awazi ukuvela afe nje. Hayibo. In fact, shuthi all he came here to do was to just kill uDintle, and then hey guys, you know what? Let me end this video here. So comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share your opinions about this, and if you enjoyed this content, I'm not even sure if you're going to enjoy this. This is pissing me off. So like the video anyway, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.